Hello everyone, here is how to use our editing software for label design. First, open the software and click New. Enter a label name and input the actual width and height of the paper, for example, 50 by 80 millimeters. You can also choose the shape of the label. Then click Create. To add text, click Text and double-click the text box to edit the content. To add a 1D barcode, click 1D barcode, drag to adjust the size, and double-click to edit the content. To add a 2D barcode, click 2D barcode, and double-click to edit the barcode content. To insert an image, click Image, then select the image you want to add. Click Icon to choose from a set of built-in icons provided by the software. Click Time to automatically insert the system date and time. Click Line to add lines. You can adjust the length and shape as needed. Click Shape to create shapes, and use the panel on the right to adjust the border style. To add a table, click Table. You can import fixed Excel content. Click Table Frame to set up the table structure. Once everything is set up, click Print. Select the correct printer model, and click Print. The printer will feed the label paper normally. Customers can edit and design according to their actual needs.